What if you could make money while sipping coffee, traveling, or simply relaxing? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with AI-powered software, it's not just a dream, it's a game changer. Today, I'm going to show you how artificial intelligence can help you build a passive income stream, step by step. Stick around because this could be the video that changes your financial future. Let's start with the basics. Passive income is money earned with little to no daily effort after the initial setup. Think royalties from a book, ad revenue from a YouTube channel, or profits from an online store. The best part? Once it's set up, it keeps working for you even when you're not. And with AI, this process becomes faster, smarter, and more efficient. Now let's talk about how AI can revolutionize the way you earn passive income. Here are a few ideas to get you started. E-commerce automation. AI tools like ChatGPT can handle customer inquiries, write product descriptions, and even help with inventory management. Imagine running a store that almost manages itself. Content creation. If you're into blogging or creating YouTube videos, AI can script your content, generate captions, and even suggest trending topics. Platforms like Jasper or Writesonic make this incredibly easy. Investments, AI-powered apps like robo-advisors can manage your portfolio, analyze market trends, and execute trades, all while you focus on other things. Building software, think subscription-based services. With low-code platforms, creating your own AI-powered SaaS product is simpler than ever. Quick question, what's your dream passive income stream? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI to transform your life. Ready to dive in? Here's a simple roadmap to build your first AI-powered passive income stream. First, find your niche. Think about what you're passionate about or areas where AI can add value. It could be an online course, a blog, or even a dropshipping store. Next, choose the right tools. Use AI-powered platforms like Shopify for e-commerce, Canva for design, or Jasper for writing. Then create and launch. Set up your product or service. AI can streamline everything from creating your website to marketing your offering. After that, automate processes. Set up AI for tasks like email marketing, customer support, and ad optimization. The less manual work, the better. Finally, market and scale. Leverage AI analytics to find what works and scale your efforts accordingly. Of course, there are challenges. Upfront costs can be intimidating and there's a learning curve for some tools. But here's the good news. Many AI tools offer free plans or trials. And with resources like online tutorials and forums, learning has never been easier. The future is exciting. AI-driven marketplaces, smarter algorithms, and more accessible tools mean the possibilities are endless. The earlier you start, the better positioned you'll be to take advantage of these advancements. So there you have it, a complete guide to building a passive income stream with AI-powered software. The potential is massive, but the key is taking action. Start small, learn as you go, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Ready to begin your journey? Hit that like button, subscribe, and start building the life you've always wanted.